Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Monday 15th of August. And this is amazing move right here for Bitcoin, and it's finally time that we might start to see Bitcoin moving up to $27,500. And this update is quite important right now. So this week is going to be amazing. On the Discord, I've actually even mentioned that if you ever guys see Bitcoin, closing on a weekly time frame, which was a price near, I'm gonna actually go here to the announcements, and so here we are. Okay, we're talking about if Bitcoin closes above 23,900 today on weekly, expect next week to be green. Okay, so and that really happened. Okay, so the weekly time frame closed above $23,900. So let's dive into the weekly here, and this is what I'm looking at right now. Okay, so this is what my focus really is, and Bitcoin finally broke out of that trend line, and we are officially out of a downtrend at the moment. Okay, so this is over. The downtrend has been destroyed. Okay, and we now are looking to make an uptrend. Okay, so this uptrend, I don't know if this was your bottom here. This could have been accumulation. You never know if you're actually going to come up here to maybe 29,000 and then get rejected and start to fall to the downside. Anything can happen, but at least for now, that's a very long time to wait. Let's turn on the EMAs and let's talk about the EMAs. Okay, so you've been fighting with the devils and you've actually won the battle against the devil. Okay, so this 10 EMA was a big devil right now. Okay, for a very long time we've seen the 10 EMA actually misbehaving somehow. So what I can say is that, Bitcoin, where the hell is the charts? Where did the chart go? Where the hell did it go? Well, I'm just gonna refresh this stupid idiot page. What the hell just happened there? Right, so let's actually searching for Bitcoin again. And as I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by this, whatever it is, and yeah, so let's go back into the weekly time frame right now. Okay, so here we are, the weekly. The devil, you've won the battle against the devil, the 10 EMA, and right now it's time that if I turn on the EMAs right here, we are looking to basically backtest the 20 EMA. Do you get the point here? This is my analysis that it might actually end up coming up to the 20 EMA. Now, anything can happen by the end of the day, we don't know, but that bull cross on Bitcoin now and so many altcoins showing 60% move and potentially 40% move to the upside is incredible. It's really, really incredible. Now, what I'm going to say is the following, that you might be looking to come up here and backtest this 27,000 level, which is 27,700 or potentially $27,500, right? If you end up fighting the devil again and end up closing up here, at 27,500, if you end up closing in this week alone, and next week you make another green candle and you close near $30,000, then my friend, you're putting in a 3 white soldiers on the weekly, and 3 white soldiers are 3 green candles back to back. They're actually bullish. So let's talk about 3 white soldiers. So here we are, and this 3 white soldiers is what I want to show you right there, and this is how it looks like, right? So after the downtrend, you make those 3 green candles back to back, and then you're going to see maybe sideways movement a little bit, and then boom, push to the upside. So that's what I could expect. Okay, come up here, move sideways, and that actually goes along with the thing that I told you before in the previous video, that if Bitcoin can go to $54,000, if you do come up here to make those 3 white soldiers at nearly $32,000, then my friend, you could be potentially coming up here and hit that 32,000, consolidate with 3 white soldiers a little bit, and then extend to the upside. And that's your left shoulder, your head here, and then you have your right shoulder. You break the neckline, and off we go to $54,000. And just like that, the party gets started. Okay, and that could be the bottom of Bitcoin, by the way. And that's it pretty much for this update at the moment, guys. I would recommend you to actually bring in a new stop loss and probably put a stop loss down now at 23,526. If you ever see now Bitcoin coming down to this level, 23,526, it's going to be bad. But what I can say about Bitcoin right now is that Bitcoin, at least for now, is looking to come up to 25,436. Once it comes up here, could actually potentially make a little bit of some res sideways movement and then try to move to the upside. And that's pretty much it for the update. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love you.
Hey, can I tell you something real quickly? There's this subscribe button right here. Once you click that, there's a bell icon as well, and I want you to click that. Secondly, if you want to be a part of our signals agreement group and you want to actually take my signals and when I trade, you can click on this video on the link in the description of the video, and you can join the signals agreement for $10 per month. Or maybe you don't want to actually the signals, then you want to actually learn the way I trade, then click on this link here, Atom Coins, and you are going to go to this trading course, and we have 42 different topics, 18 hours of contents to make sure that you never lose a trade again anymore. It's actually $49, okay? If you look at it, it's $49, but there's one more thing. What you want to do is actually click on the Discord link here. Once you do that, you're going to actually join our Discord link, and we do have so many different coin chats right over here, from Bitcoin all the way to Solana to VeChain all the way to Luna Classic. It's absolutely free of cost, and all you want to do is you want to go to this channel called Announcement, click on the announcement, click on my name, and drop me a message, and I'm gonna give you a discount of $20 from this course, and you can get it for $49, and it's yours. Trade safe, trade careful. Bye.